Right, I've done the install of the 8th. They go there. I said I was going to do another upload when I go to do the amps in the floor. That's all primered up, ready to do the spraying. I ain't going to do the spraying yet because I'm going to wait further into the year because I might do other things. Right, this is the floor. This amp here runs the 8. It's only a 65 per channel RMS. Could do being a bit bigger really, but this one here is 4,000 watts. Single channel. They're going to run the 10s. Can't wait to put everything back. Right, last upload I've done, this audio control is an electronic crossover. You can have up to 3, 4, 5 amps on it. You know, your highs, mids, sub, plug, amps give you the correct sound. And of course you've got the line driver there, 3 channels. You can use it with more than 3 channels. Quite good. Does improve the sound. Takes up the voltage. It's like a gain really. Boosts it up a little bit. But yeah, there you go. We're going to filler all around here so it all blends into the floor. We're going to have a glass or perspex panel over the amp. Start doing the filler in this weekend maybe. But yeah, the 8s will come out really nice. Nice and smooth. Next upload I might show you when it's all done with the amps in. Might not be in colour, but you know, we will see.